Wagwan, what Mr. Wagwan? Alright? Yeah? Alright. One thing, you not alright? You good? Oh, Jano, sorry for hear that, dog. Just go and big up yourself and go on, you know? Yeah, man, just overcome your obstacles with you see me? Just think about something positive, you see me? Big up all the people who are good and alright. Big up all the people who are trying to be alright. Big up all the people who are outside just to do that one thing. We're there today. Bugzy Malone, Salvador. This dropped about a week ago, but because I've been so busy that when I missed me, went over my head, I spot it last night. I said, alright then, Bugzy drop song, I don't know. How Bugzy if drop song and not tell me? Bugzy, you out to order, Bugzy. You should tell me the drop song, bro. Anyway, let's jump into this. We're not wasting time, Bugzy. Salvador, you there. Let's go. Oh, we are breaking down. So every 10 seconds or even less than 10 seconds, we're pausing. Because we want to break down them lyrics, them. What must say? Oh, I go on. Let's go.
Yeah. It's Bugs.
This is Manchester's finest, man. This to me sound like it's well, the beat is like a true story. I don't know. It's like a true story about what happen. True story. Because Bugzy is one of those artists where always paint him words. Always paint him life with him songs them.
Listen. Yo, look. I've not got round to reading the Bible. Still I'm trying to leave them a worthy example. So I know I've got to get married, it's vital.
Why my headphone seems so low? YouTube low. Okay. Him say him not get around to reading the Bible, something for example. Me never get up at the bottom.
A diamond bigger than a blueberry. When I had a blackberry, it was survival. That meant the flicky went anywhere I go, all cause a rival took shots at me with a rifle.
Man say him always have him flicky anywhere him go. That's because the rival always took shot at him with a rifle. So you don't know I'm story him a tell as what I assumed. This is what it is. Let's go.
On the tips of my fingers, done a Bruce Lee, then I licked him. Bit off the end of the spliff, then I lit that. I was on the carpet doing crunches, trying to get me a 6-pack.
Smokers know what the man I talk about. Smokers, when you have your spliff and you build up your spliff and you do the thing at the end, the real smokers, them not all smokers, but the real smokers, them spliff, them have a little thing at the end. Me not smoking, but me know. Them have a thing at the end where them bite off and then them light the spliff. That's what the boss just said. Me didn't have to pick up on the part there, sorry. But the real smokers know that.
Dreams of me pushing his wig back. Nightmares of me getting 26 in Crown Court. Never
oh, hey, wait a minute, Bugzy Malone.
been much.
Wait a minute, Bugzy Malone.
Me a 6-pack. Dreams of me pushing his wig back. Nightmares of me getting 26 in Crown Court. Never been much of a shooter, but I still bang off. That's the man that I kidnapped.
Never been much of a shooter, but I still bang. Ask the man them when me kidnap. So Bugzy's been in various amount of kidnapping. Bugzy kidnapped them, bumbucklat and torture them. You don't know, that was the life back then. Him change him life now. But if you fuck around him ain't gonna do it again. So just know that. You see me? The man say him have fear of getting 26. So obviously him got caught and thing. You see me? So you don't know.
Coming all the way through on an attempted M, I didn't even do. Did have got my phone, then I wouldn't have been here, cause I would have got released this time last year. Court never been much of a shooter.
Hold on, man. Him just. He might go so fast because
yeah. But I still bang off. That's the man that I kidnapped. No coming all the way through on an attempted M, I didn't even do. Did have got my phone, then I...
Man said no comment all the way through on an attempted M, attempted murder all the way through, no comment. Police, if you don't want to know, you don't go do no research, do no job. Me not going to no easy life. That's what the boss I say. Not me. No comment all the way through and found not guilty.
I wouldn't have been here cause I would have got released this time last year. And I can clearly remember saying to Webby that I want to show up back inside his tash in a beard.
Basically, him say if he was found guilty, him would have just found out last year. So that would have been a long stretch he would have get. Long stretch. You see me? So we wouldn't know Bugzy. We wouldn't hear about Bugzy on this scale. Maybe on a lower scale, but not on this scale. You see?
Then when I earned my stripes, I told him put a line in my eyebrow. I'm a bad boy out here. Me, I'm just sketching into my sketchbook. I can forgive, but I don't forget much.
The true G them know about the line of the, you know, line of the eyebrow. You understand?
Me, I'm just sketching into my sketchbook. I can forgive, but I don't forget much. Let me add an additional bit of perspective. We would eat fish fingers with no ketchup. Now we...
I'm gonna tell you what him used to, dog. Man, I tell you what I'm used to, brother, the life. This is why Bugzy is one of my favorite UK artists, because Bugzy paint him life in him lyrics, them dog.
Eat lobster and I'm in a tracksuit, something.
Yeah,
There's no bit of perspective. We would eat fish fingers with no ketchup. Now we eat lobster and I'm in a tracksuit, something San Carlo. And
Be here when I'm forward from? Fish finger with no ketchup. A simple thing like ketchup to make it nicer. A simple thing like tomato sauce, tomato, whatever you say, to make it nicer. Him not have that. He never have the privilege to have that. No, the boss eat lobster. Blood clot. Not the head, you know. Lobster tail. Lobster tail the boss eat, brother. In a some high place it. Take off my glasses. You're in a bum buckle and trouble. You're not only in trouble. Yeah?
I got an AP like I'm in Narcos. I got a big business. These boxes at the cargo. You're looking at mogul. I might sign me a younger that's spitting on drill.
Bop, 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 bop. The boss. Yo. Oh, God. Say whatever you want to say about Bugzy, but Bugzy is doing it. Me not care who not like him. Me not care who not... Me rate him. Me rate
cargo. You're looking at mogul. I might sign me a younger that's spitting on drill, teaching the business and make him a star and build him up until I made him a mill. But
you hear that? You hear that? It might get a younger youth right now. We are spit drill. You see me? Build him up, make him a star, make him make a mill. Entrepreneur shit, Bugzy pre dog. Businesses, brother. Businesses and upliftment. As well, Bugzy pre.
Don't get it twisted, me, I've had ups, but I beat every one of them 3 or 4 nil. I'm looking at houses for 3 or 4 mil, even though I got a castle in the middle of a field. I'm in
Bumbo clad. Don't get it twisted, dog. Don't get it twisted. You hear the boss I say? Him beat all them ups them 3 or 4 nil. Him a look at us 3 or 4 for 3 or 4 million pound. Not Jamaican dollar. Pound. Yeah. Pounds. Him have a castle out in our field. Even though him have that, him still look on.
standing on the roadside with my hat pulled down low so the cameras couldn't see me. I miss getting a bar on my pedal bike, doing the days where we shoot boxes full of money. I miss having.
He used to be on the street. That is well documented in his music. He used to be well on the street, doing what him dope on the street. You see me? So he making money on him pedal bike. Him love his pedal bike though, them time.
Beef for the rival gang and having 25 of the man them with me. I miss getting along with my family. Way back in the day when we had a little red mini looking like so out the Italian job.
Yeah, the boss I tell you, even though him have him stardom life, even though him have him star life, he miss all of those things. He miss the struggles. He miss the streets. He miss even a simple little thing like having that little red mini from out of the Italian job. He missed all of that. You see me? So the simple, cause so once you become a star, certain things you cannot do anymore. Certain places you cannot go anymore. You understand? You are a star, bro. You are a star now. You see me? So, yo, the man I tell you all the way miss. Listen.
If I was in a weak game now that this Cali and dog I would have sold out selling in bags or little green tubs they can never keep up. It's mental. Oh, I'm like a PlayStation 5 and they're a Nintendo. You
It's mental. Like a PlayStation 5 with never Nintendo. A bar there.
Green tubs they can never keep up. It's mental. Oh, I'm like a PlayStation 5 and they're a Nintendo. You might see my personality switch, but I've never dropped a crumb. I'm no Kevin Wendell.
You might see my personality switch, but I never drop a crumb. I'm no Kevin. Let me say Kevin Wendell. Let me say Kevin Wendell.
5 and they're a Nintendo. You might see my personality switch, but I've never dropped a crumb. I'm no Kevin Wendell.
Kevin Wendell. Who is Kevin Wendell? Can somebody leave in the comment section who is Kevin Wendell? I don't know who that is.
The way I'm speaking into the mics like Salvador, sketching in with a pencil. I get deja vu like Denzel. I've got a Bentley, but I can get techie with a rental.
You get deja vu like Denzel Washington in another movie. I want some water, man. Denzel Washington from another movie, Deja Vu. You see me? The man say, yo, I have a Bentley, but I can still get sketchy with the rental. So I can still go up on apps with the rental. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Not because I'm living a star life right now. Not because I'm doing that. I can still get down and dirty if you don't want me to. If you want me to turn into the devil.
My God, that's what the waiter said when I got on one knee. Everybody clapping their hands because a black guy getting engaged. You don't see, you just grow up and you look.
Oh, mad.
Everybody clapping their hands because a black guy getting engaged. You don't see, you just grow up and you look.
You don't really see that. You don't often see that a black guy getting up on one knee and propose. I did see a clip of Bugzy proposing to him girl at the time. I said girl at the time because now it's probably his fiance now, or probably his wife. I don't know if he's married yet. But he did propose I think he was on a boat or some river, some water, something did there as well. I think it was in the night and people are clap. Which is good. You don't really see that. You don't really see that, especially in our black community. You don't see that much. You see me?
Lucky if your dad bothers to show. Everybody wants to know you when you blow up. And it's a shame cause you reap what you sow. And I already know that still I've not got round to reading the Bible. And I'm
That is facts. When you blow up, everybody want to know you. Remember, when you was younger, you reach out to a lot of people. A lot of people didn't care. A lot of people didn't do business with you. But now, all of a sudden, everybody want to know you. Yeah, I'm shit, man. I'm
trying to leave them a worthy example. I know I've got to get married, it's vital. I was on one knee right under the Eiffel, holding a diamond bigger than a blueberry. When I had a blackberry, it was survival.
Okay, so it was under the Eiffel, him do it. That's romantic. That's some romantic shish, bro. That's some romantic shish. Under the Eiffel Tower. And a France the man go in the dark. France the man go. You see me? Man say have a diamond big like, yo, Bugzy, big up yourself, man.
Men to flick you in anywhere I go, cause the rival took shots at me with a fuck off.
Fuck off! Yeah? Fuck off, man. With every song, you can see the growth in a Bugzy. Every song, you can see the growth in a music. Bugzy never fail to amaze us, bro. Never. Kids, this is what they call from nothing to something. This is what they call from being in a prison cell to coming out to running the world, dog. Cause Bugzy is known worldwide right now. Bugzy is a megastar, dog. No joke. Bugzy do it. Bugzy do it. And he's not... carry on first. Resurrection. This not come out. I think this out already. I'm looking forward to this still anyway. So, Bugzy is one of those guys where not just singing it in a music, Bugzy is actually living it. Bugzy is actually living it. Most things they hear him sing about is either him do it or him a do it now. Is either him do it before or him a do it now. That is just the simple fact of Bugzy life. Is either him sing about him past what him a do now, what him do before, or him sing about what him a do currently, or how far him get. And I'm proud of Bugzy. I give Bugzy a round of applause. Bugzy at the G. No joke. Kids, Bugzy is a testimony to all kids from the ghetto. You know, say, yo, no matter how hard your upbringing is, you can make it through the other side. You can make it through the other side. You see me? Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog. So anyway, guys, big up yourself, Bugs. Big up all of the new subs and big up on yourself. And I'll go see you in the next one. Alright? We're out. Peace.